Hello, hi, I'm Mason.
Hi everyone,
We are newlyweds.
and you're both ready. Welcome to our series. We don't really have a dream of our home, but we actually design it based on our lifestyle.
Yeah, so we wanted a private space of our own, because our name is actually very near to the sea. So we scooped our ID from Ocean Design. So we wanted to put a feature wall in between our doors as well as our living room, so we have more of our own private space. I'll say the living room. So we always wanted to have a layout of the dining table followed by sofa and then a TV. So initially when we got our space, it looks quite constrained. We thought we couldn't actually make this or that. But then after several drafting with we managed to come out with this layout.
Actually, we had no idea what, because there are so many interior designers out there.
So just nice when I was in service, I realized that he's doing interior design. So he gave me quite a bit of advice, and what I like about him is that he's quite practical. So he will recommend what we should do for a practical flat.
Yeah, we are very satisfied with the service overall actually, because we took care of all the little things of the house. Like for example, initiating to actually conduct defect checks for our house, and also engaging thorough cleaning service after our renovation is completed.
So before the renovation even starts or you start planning, the first thing you have to decide is whether you want to sell your house after the MEP period. So that will actually help you to decide your budget. So if you tend to sell it after 5 years, then I think go for more practical approach, spend lesser. But then if you intend to stay like a longer period, you can actually splurge a little bit more for quality.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.